Today, we'll be talking about sets. Sets are another data structure where you can store multiple elements, so it's similar to a list, except sets are unordered and they cannot contain repeating values. Also, they use curly brackets instead of straight brackets. So let's dive right in and make our first set, which we'll call first set. And remember, we have to use curly brackets when making sets. And we'll just say 1, 2, 3, have string representations of the first three numbers. And then we'll print our first set. And you can see it prints 1, 2, 3 in curly brackets. If you look at the type, then it'll tell you it's a set. So let's make the second set. But I want to show you what happens if you try to include repeating values inside of a set. So this time we'll do 4, let's do 5. We'll include 5 3 times so you can see what's going on. And then we'll have 6. And we will print second set. You can see the set only contains 4, 5, and 6, but up here we put 5 in this 3 times. And the reason what happened is all of these 5s got reduced to one instance because you can't have repeating values in a set. Just like with lists and tuples, you can also get the length of your set by using the len function, the length function. Now, here's something that's interesting. If you try to subset a list by indexing it, you get an error. And it's saying sets are not subscriptable. And why that is because remember, sets are not ordered. Tuples and lists, they have an order so you can index them. Sets are unordered so you can't index them. If you want to know if there's an element inside of your set, then you can use the n operator. So we want to know if 4 is in second set, and this will return the Boolean value, true if it is in there, false otherwise. And we can see that's true because we have 4 in our second set up here. The next thing I want to show you is something called the union function. And this function combines two sets. So we can do first set.union, and we'll union it with second set. And now you can see it's combined all of our sets to a function called the intersection function. So I'll go ahead and copy this and change union to intersection. And what this does is this will return a set that contains elements that are in both sets. So if there are any values that are in first set and are also in second set, then this will return a new set that only contains those common values. And you can see here, this returns a blank set. And the reason why is because there are no overlapping values. The first set contains 1, 2, 3. And the next one contains 4, 5, 6. So it returns an empty set because there are no overlapping values in its function. So let's copy this and paste it and change this to difference. And what this function does is it returns elements that are in the first set that are not in the second set. So since we have no overlapping elements, this will print 1, 2, and 3, which is everything we have in the first set, which is what we see here. If you change the order of these, then it will give you different output. Now it prints 4, 5, 6 because it's returning elements in second set that are not in first set. So the last thing I want to show you today is how you can use a list and a set together to find the unique values in the list, if this is the way you would like to do that. So let's just put some animals in here. We can do fox, dog, cat, beaver. We want to get rid of repeated elements, so we'll add beaver twice. And now we'll make a set. And you can use the set keyword to cast to a set. And we'll make a set from my list, and then we'll just print my set. You can see it returns a set that eliminated beaver because beaver is a repeating element. Well, it didn't eliminate beaver entirely. It reduced it to one instance of beaver. It eliminated one of these instances. So that's a quick introduction to sets. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you're watching this on YouTube, then please like, comment, and subscribe, and visit pyathlon.com for more great content. Thanks, and see you in the next video.